Hi everybody, this is Fire Survival. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to showcase to you a outdoor utility belt which I made a couple years back. I've been using it every time I go out to the field, especially if I'm collecting wood, chopping it and starting fires. I've taken this belt with me to Mongolia, different parts of the US, as well as places in Hong Kong when I go out to make camp, as well as create fires. I made this belt as a copy of the Fjällräven utility belt, outdoor utility belt. They sell it on their website. It's quite expensive. Along with everybody else, I could have just bought it, but I felt I had enough skills, even though I don't have much skills to begin with, but I thought I could make it, so I challenged myself. And I was proud that I was able to create it, and I've been using it, and it's been serving me really well. Basically, it's about 2 millimeters thick leather. It's quite strong. It's veg tan cowhide. This two-prong belt buckle, I ordered it online on eBay. I think I paid like $10 for it. I'm sure you can buy it cheaper. This belt is able to hold a whole bunch of stuff that you should take with you into the wilderness. First of all, this is the small hatchet by Granforsbruks. This is one of the smallest axes that they make. It's quite light and it's served me pretty well. The more stuff that you carry with you, if they're really heavy, it kind of hurts your back. So I'm glad I was able to find this small axe. And then on this other side is a sheath that I made for the Silky Pocket Boy. This is a pretty good saw that you can use to cut down, little limbs, and it's one of the most, I would say, useful tools that you can take with you to the wilderness. And then one of the features of the belt is that I have these utility clasps, one on each side, here and here, so that you could clasp on different hardware. Here, this is a small pouch that I made to collect tinder. And you can just easily carry this on your waist, and if you find dry leaves or grass or bark, you can just throw it in here, zip it up. Right now I have my thick ferro rod inside. And then this is what's called a trigger snap. I bought this as well as the D-ring on the Tandy Leather website. This is like $3 or something like that. The D-ring is about a couple bucks, so in terms of hardware, additional hardware, it's another $10. This is made out of solid brass, and you can hold on to a lot of good equipment, especially something that you need to access really quickly, like an axe, a saw. On this side, it's holding my leather gloves. So when you're in the wilderness, having gloves when you want to grab stuff that may have thorns on it, or that might be poisonous, or you may be allergic to, or if you're near a fire, you definitely want to have gloves around. So it's easy to access by having it on this trigger snap. So, okay, put that down. And this utility pocket, I did not make this. I actually purchased this from a gentleman in the US. I'll leave his description and contact details on the descriptions. You can use this to hold a small, let's say, water purification kit, survival kit, medical kit, whatever you need when you need to go out on that day. You can just keep it in here, and pretty much this utility belt can always stay with you, and it could be your survival tool. I'm pretty proud that I was able to make this. It probably cost me less than $30 in materials, and it took me about a couple hours to make it. If you want to buy it, you don't want to make this, go ahead and order it online. Otherwise, challenge yourself and make something, because this was not difficult. I would say one of the important aspects of survival is self-reliance. So I decided to, teach myself some skills as far as making things. This is what I did, and I'm pretty proud of it. I hope you learned something with this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye.